Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this level, the text is encrypted using ROT13, a letter substitution cipher. ROT13 works by rotating each letter 13 positions forward in the alphabet. For example, the word hello. H becomes U. E becomes R. L becomes Y. L becomes Y. O becomes B. Now let's decode the file using the TR command. Short for translate, it reads input and replaces characters based on rules we provide. So we want to translate A to N and M to Z. We can define character ranges using a dash. We also include uppercase letters. Don't forget the other halves of the alphabet. Finally, we pass the file content as the input. And this reveals the password for the next level. In this level, the password is stored in a file called data.txt, but it's not normal text. It's a hex dump of a file that's been compressed multiple times. A hex dump shows raw binary data in hexadecimal, which is just a more readable version of ones and zeros. Compression reduces file size by removing repeated data, making storage and transfer more efficient. Since we can't write in the home directory, we create a temporary working folder in /tmp. Move into it and copy the file. Next, we reverse the hex dump to recover the original binary file. Using the file command, we identify its format. It's gzip compressed. Even though Linux doesn't rely on file extensions, some tools do, so we rename it to .gz and decompress it. Now it's bzip2 compressed, which compresses smaller than gzip but is slower. So we decompress again. Next, we encounter a tar archive. Unlike gzip or bzip2, tar doesn't compress. It simply bundles files together like a container. We extract it. The X option is used to extract content. The F option points to the file we provide. And after repeating these steps, we finally reveal the password. In this level, instead of a password, we're given an SSH private key. An SSH key is a secure way to authenticate without passwords. It uses a key pair, a private key which we keep secret, and a public key stored on the server. We use the key with the -i option in the SSH command to log in. Since we're already on the server, we try connecting to localhost. But it's blocked. So instead, we switch to SCP, which securely copies files over SSH. Let's log out and try that. The dot represents the current directory of the local machine. This copies the key to our local machine. Then use it from there to connect to the server. And now we've successfully logged into level 14. We'll continue from here in the next video. And that's it for this video. If you're learning along with me, feel free to subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next level.